Good evening, everyone. Let's take a look at Bitcoin and the rally we've seen today. So our algo in our signals channel was buying for quite a while already, and we made a lot of money for our users. If you want to find out more about that, you can check out the description page. But let's take a look at what's happening with a longer term picture. So this is a daily chart. And let's take a look at the Elliott wave of this whole situation. So we've obviously ended a major wave at 65,000, then we corrected to 30K. Now we're rallying. So what's happening here? All right, so this was an impulse, and we have a three-wave correction followed by another impulse. So I think we're still correcting this wave B quite possibly. But we had a very nice breakout here. After breakout, we've been rallying ever since. Now, if you missed this rally, what can you do? Is the big question. One, how can you get into this trade right now? So let's take a look at that. Obviously, chasing up here is doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but I'm going to give you a few ways that we teach in our course how to find targets for using fibs. And let's do this. So this is our fibs. The next target is going to be 59,500 pretty much. So let's say 60K. Well, this 59,300 coincides exactly with the top of this end of wave 2 swing right here. Wow, how funny is that? So now you have a confluence. You have a fib and you have a next horizontal resistance here, and then obviously here all-time highs. So this is the target. So this is quite impulsive. This is an impulse. Three-wave correction followed by another impulse. This can be an A, B, C, and then we're still gonna head down before more upside. So that's the what you have to watch out for. But we're still very highly likely we're gonna hit this fib right here. And how do you get into that trade? Well, first of all, what you need to do is wait for a little bit of a pullback, because this is getting pretty vertical. Kind of like it was vertical here. You had a pullback to get in. Vertical pullback, kind of petered out. And we actually sold it right here based on this post I made with the daily fractal, finding that this daily fractal and the 4-hour chart were resembling quite similarly. So this is the daily that I'm showing here, fractal. Oops. Come on. Don't know what the hell's going on. Anyway, and this was the fractal, pretty much showing that the initial run, and then the basically the uptrend was petering out, and then we were expecting a reversal, and I made a video about it, blah 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 blah. Anyway, so chasing up here is not a good idea anymore. You're gonna FOMO in like an idiot and be holding it back. So this is pretty vertical. What you want to do is at least wait for retracement. It's probably very likely it's going to retest this 52, 53 zone, maybe even a little lower before more upside. More upside is coming, but you should be patient. Wait for a little bit of a pullback to get into that position. This is a 4-hour. Let's take a look at the very short term, 15 minutes. So I think that this is that 4-hour top right here on the daily. This previous swing, I think we're going to retest it very easily, maybe even deeper. And if we're going to go deeper, to our, I think we're going to be retesting this cluster here. So on my tools, so this is pretty much what I would be expecting this price to do. So this is where I would be looking for buys, around 52,000. And might take a day. Remember, Friday are non-farm payrolls, so the markets are going to be moving, risk will be moving, and Bitcoin will be moving with that risk, quite likely. So if tomorrow we can just go sideways, do a consolidated move, which will just drip lower into the support zone from 52 to 53,000 is the area. You wanna, don't just buy, don't leave an order here or here. What you want is price to go down, and then you want to see momentum shift back into the positive side, like you would see here. And this is our proprietary apexbull momentum indicator. As you can see, when it turns positive, it goes, correction, and then it goes, and then we just hit the corrective mode again, as you can see here. So until this switches back to blue, kind of like it did here. So this is when it started, and you can see the next candle started to go bullish, okay? This indicator is also available, by the way, on apexbull.com if you're interested. Anyway, so I would wait for a pullback for the momentum to work for conditions of overbought conditions to work themselves out with a pullback, and then once the you see momentum bulls getting back into the groove, you go long and you ride it till like I said, where was that fib? Come on. Jesus Christ. 15 minutes. It wasn't for our chart, sorry. It is kind of late already today. Let me remove all this. That's the fib, right? 59,300. So 59,300 is the fib we're looking for, and that's the target. So basically, once you see this dip into 52 to 53, you look for a positive switch of momentum on a short-term time frame, and then you target 50. Let's say you put your TP around 59,000, because it's going to be met with this horizontal resistance, like I said before, and 60,000 is a big even number, so a lot of people leave orders right before to take profit, and the price should probably at least temporarily close over there. So that's the game plan for longing this Bitcoin. Obviously, all the other coins are following the beat, so I'm not the analysis is pretty much the same. We're following the lead on Bitcoin. So if you don't trade Bitcoin, but you trade ETH or something else, pretty much picture is very, very much alike. Regarding if you want to learn more about the fibs on how to trade, or if you want actual signals that work and make you money, like the ones we've been issuing in our crypto channel, you're more than welcome to check it out for free on apexbull.com, or find the link in our Telegram in the description page. Also, if you like the content, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. We always appreciate it. And if you can, if you like the video, please share it. Again, always helps us, and we give this all information for free. So hope it helps. like I said, wait for the dip into the support before going long, and you target 59,000.